Now, if you're into video editing, you might already be aware of this popular video editing style, which is motion design based, and it is popularly used by creators like Danco or Naval, who are getting millions and millions of reach. Now, here is the real thing. If we try to do this type of animation in traditional tools like After Effects, it's easily gonna take at least 3 to 4 hours of deliberate work. But with this tool, that's completely different. Let me show you what I mean by that. So this is the platform I'm talking about. This is Mosaic, and it has some templates available in there. I will show you exactly how this is being done. So if you want to create a new project, you can just simply click on this craft Mosaic, and with that you will be able to create new project. For this sake of example, I'm going to show you this template here. It is a talking head motion graphics video creation part. I'm just opening this template so that I can show you what exactly it is. And then I'm also going to show you the example that I created using that motion graphic style of Danco animation. Now, this is the video we had. And you see, each and every part is attached through a node. So individual section like this are called nodes. If you use DaVinci Resolve, you already know what node is. So this is just like a refined version of it. But this is where we don't have timeline anymore. And if you want to create a reframe, we just selected a reframe node, and the reframe is already being done from horizontal to vertical. Then let's say if you want to add motion graphics into it, just attach the node of motion graphics and it will process the video and process it and get the final output of motion graphic done. Then let's say if you want to add captions into it, one more node for captions, and then directly from here we can post as well. Now let me show you what are the options which are available in here. So let me just quickly duplicate this version. So now this is into my workflow. I can simply right click on it, and this is where I can see all the options available in here. Let me show you this. This is where you can add cinematic captions in here. AI avatar is also involved. Motion graphics we can create. So all these things which you are seeing, all these options are node basically, and each node serves its own purpose. So if I add this caption node in here, this caption node will be able to add the caption. I can simply select the style of the captions that I want, all the customizations, and then it will be able to add the captions into the video that you attach with this. Now enough talk about this platform. Let me show you what I created. So this is what I created. The usual way of doing it is to get into the timeline of After Effects and do a lot of timeline based work there, and then you get the final output. But see this, I just created this video in two nodes. First is the input video, which is the raw file that I had, and the second one is the output video that is being created here. You can see the preview as well. I'm gonna play that for you as well, but you got the idea. Like, this is the input and this is where I got the output, just in two nodes. And what I need to do is I simply created this node. It is upload video. If I show you this, this is where we can upload video, or we can take it from internet. So I can just attach the link in here. I will be able to attach the link here, and it will get the video downloaded into the system for us. Now once this is done, I added a motion graphic node here. So what I can do is simply just drag out of it, and this is where I will be able to attach this motion graphic node. And in this one, I can select this parameters here. So I can write the prompt of the style of animation that I need. Then I can select the reference here. And once that is done, we will be able to do that type of editing in here. Now, let me show you the prompt that I had. So this is the motion graphic video that is created, and this is what I had. Like, this style is called minimal 2D motion design with simple geometric shapes. That's what Danco has in his style, right? So this is the entire prompt. If you need it, just comment down below. I'll drop the prompt as well. Then this was the reference video that attached. This is again the one video from Danco, and this is the final output, and you can play onto it.
Can't fake courage. If you fake bravery when you're terrified, that is bravery. I kind of feel like motivation is the same thing. If you do the thing when you're feeling unmotivated, that is motivation.
That's it.
You got the idea, right? This happened just like me connecting two nodes, writing some prompts, and just chilling. Like, I just waited for the generation to happen, and as soon as the agent did the work, I was having this video ready. Now there are some customization possible in this one. For example, I can select this motion graphic. I can adjust the colors in here. There is this agent with whom I can have interaction. We can see the process as well, like what happened, what type of task it did. all the generations and talk that happen between the agent. We can see that part here. There are some galleries, graphics which we can attach, but we are not going to go into that part. Like we can see the animation that got generated in here. We can even create custom motion graphics here just by prompting. So we are having a lot of control in here. One thing I would like to tell you is that this is still in early phase right now, so consider it as like the early phase of chat gpt, or maybe early phase of Apple, where some things might break, well, some things might be like, okay, this is not working, or this is taking a bit of lag in here. But the reason I'm talking to you about this is because this is actually going to make the difference in here. In the next 6 or 12 months, this tool will be refining, and as the technology evolves, the difference between the actual that was created and the generations which are happening right now, it will fade out. And with the agentic tools like this Mosaic, it's going to completely redefine the way video editing is being done. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'm talking about this tool, but this is not a sponsored video. And if the team of Mosaic is watching is, I would love to collaborate. Anyways, this is what I discovered, and what I'm believing is this is gonna change the way things are being done. It takes some processing time right now, but with the technology evolving, this is gonna get so better. So that was an overview about this new platform that I just discovered. If you want a full guide, I'll be releasing that soon with each and every aspect covered about this tool. So make sure to subscribe and let me know your thoughts on the future of video editing moving forward. I'll see you guys in the next one.